My name is Ian Cooper. I'm the Operations Director for Combat Heating Solutions Limited. We've been manufacturing commercial and industrial heating equipment for just over 50 years, since about 1965. We make heaters, warm air heaters and radiant heaters for large commercial and industrial warehouses and spaces. Currently, In-Comm provide us with support on the QA side to ensure our compliance with ISO 9001. We are contracted to In-Comm for several days a year, and one of the experienced guys comes and visits us. He'll do internal and external audits on us. Just to make sure that we're keeping up to date. They provide us with support for health and safety. We take training courses from them regarding fire marshal training, manual handling, numerous training courses for our staff here. I think we're probably typical of a lot of companies where over the years we've, shall I say, streamlined our internal staff, and therefore we look to partner with companies like In-Comm to fill those gaps that have been created by losing staff. And that's what we've done. In-Comm have been a partner of ours for over 30 years and steered us in the right direction, kept us abreast of legislation, new and impending legislation. It means that we don't have to employ or assign resources internally to look after that. Quality and health and safety are necessary evils, shall I say, within a small business. And having a partner to work with you and continually prompt you, that's what we look for. Without them, I know, without them things would lapse. And it's only because we're getting continual prompts, emails, phone calls, visits. Have you done this? Have you done that? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, we'll get on with it. It's that prompting and the continual visits and information coming from partners like In-Comm that make sure we do what we're supposed to do. As part of ISO 9001, you're required to do several variations of internal audits on our purchase order system, on our manufacturing systems. We use In-Comm on a regular basis to come and actually physically do those audits for us. And that means that we don't have to spend time and money and resource in getting people qualified to do that audit. And when we're challenged, well, okay, these audits have been done, who's done the audit and what qualifications do they have to do the audit? We can demonstrate that it's done by a qualified and registered auditor from an external company like In-Comm. If I was to do the audit, I've done some audit training in my past, so I've got a little certificate that says I can do it. But if I was to do it, I could be challenged. Well, you know, what qualifications have you got to do that audit? In-Comm provide us with that resource. I mean, In-Comm have been a partner of ours for over 30 years, since the early 1990s when we first embarked on a TQM program, Total Quality Management. I think it's still a term that's widely used. And we employed the right first time philosophy, and that has remained embedded within the company. Although there have been a lot of personnel changes, I've been here since that time, but there have been a lot of other personnel changes in that time. But the philosophy that that was embedded with that training and with that guidance over a number of years initially has remained. And I think the industry will agree that Combat have always been recognised as a customer-focused organisation, and it's those sort of original philosophies that we evolved and developed with In-Comm that have stayed with us and give us an advantage in the market today. Yeah, it's essential. It's essential that we show a compliance with a recognised standard. The main one for us is ISO 9001, which In-Comm support us through and make sure that we continue to comply with that standard. Health and safety is sort of a little bit self-explanatory. You know, everybody. You know, there's a lot of awareness on health and safety. There's a lot of changes with health and safety. It's continually evolving, and In-Comm keep us up to date with what we need to do. We work in a very competitive environment where we're all very similar. Our competitors, we're similar on price, we're similar on our products. The differential in the market is our customer service, and the work we do with In-Comm and how they partner us with reinforcing that customer focus and the needs of the customer. Gives us that slight advantage in the market. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. It is. It's allowed me. We're a reasonably small organisation. We employ about 40 people on site here. We've got other sites, but in total we employ about 80 people. But it allows me and my staff to do their jobs and allow the expertise of the management of QA and health and safety to be handled by the experts.